All right, this is our finished results of our 5-spice chicken. You use chicken breast. I forgot to tell you to use chicken breast when you cut it up in cubes. So use chicken breast for this recipe. And we did a egg fried rice for you. And we used green peas. This is a wonderful dish, y'all. It's an Oriental dish. And I want to show you how the rice look. Oh, the rice is so delicious. I got the rice recipe for that also. And I want to show you how tender these chicken strips are. Well, they're not chicken strips, they're chicken cubes. And when you bite one, they are so good. Look at that. They're good. They're not tough. They're soft. And you can taste that 5-season spice in there. Oh, it tastes so good, y'all. This is Sandra. I'll tell you, get this recipe after this presentation on how to do the 5-spice chicken and the egg fried rice. Ain't it beautiful, y'all? This is a beautiful dinner. Now, you can probably make a sauce to go on this, but I didn't make one, y'all. Maybe next time I will. Right now, I want you to feast your eyes on this right here, and then we will go further. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and get this after this presentation, you will know how to fix this dish. Hey, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is an Oriental recipe. I love to cook all kind of food, and I like to share my recipes with you because I love to have something different cooking every night or every day or whatever. I like to have something different. I don't like to have the same thing all the time. So what we're going to do today is going to do this 5-spice chicken. This is what it looks like. This is what it says, 5-spice chicken. And that's the name of the chicken, 5-spice chicken. So what we're going to do first is make sure that we have a chicken, about a pound of chicken, in cubes, just like this. Now, I like to add some black pepper, just a little black pepper. It don't call for black pepper, but I add black pepper because I like black pepper. And add a little salt. Those are the only two things that I would like to add to this. Okay, and we're going to stir this up like this. Okay, and next, what it calls for is a teaspoon of brown sugar. Just like that, teaspoon of brown sugar. Brandy goes in it. So we're going to put a tablespoon of brandy. Tablespoon of brandy goes in it just like that. Okay. Tablespoon of brandy. A half of 5-spice season. Half. Just like that. Just a half. And then it calls for a half. Let's get this garlic. Let's see if I get another. I think this will work. Garlic. Just like that. And then we're going to use ginger. Okay, ginger needs a little mashing down. Just a little bit ginger, a little bit more ginger. Just a little bit more. There you go. Okay, we got the ginger. We got the garlic. We got the brown sugar. Now we need about a teaspoon of oil. Goes in there like that. And then we're going to need some onion. Okay, about a little onion like that, as much as you like, just like that, okay? And then we're going to need a tablespoon a soy sauce. Soy sauce, y'all. Soy sauce, okay? Just like that. Maybe a little bit more. Then we're going to stir this all together like this. Now we got the 5 spice. We have the brandy. We have the brown sugar. We have the oil. We have the onion. Smells good, y'all. It's all blended now. You can use spring onions if you like for this dish. Okay. Let's see. I think I want some more 5 spice in there. Yes, I think I want a little bit more. I love the way that smells. If you never tried this, you should try it. It is really good. It's really good. Okay, we got the brandy. We got this 5 spice. We got the brown sugar. We got the oil. We got the onion. We got the soy sauce. And that's it, y'all. What we're going to do now is place this in this flour. Just like this. Some of it in the flour. Just like that. Push it all around like that. I would put all of it in there. Get it all incorporated like this. Now you can use cornstarch if you want, but I didn't have any cornstarch. It was all out of it. So you can use flour. Get it all blended like that. And then you add the egg. You add 1 egg. And you're going to have to use your hands to get this all blended. You got to use your hands. Oh, that 5 spice smells so good. And it tastes good too, y'all. Okay. You get it all blended like this. Just like this. Should have I have cornstarch, but make sure the flour is all incorporated with it. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to let this sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to fry it. We'll be right back and let you see what we've done. My hands is dirty, so I need to cut the camera off. So I'm going to wipe them off like this. And we'll be right back. All right, we're back now. So we're going to add the chicken to some peanut oil. Just like that. You don't want to overcrowd it. We're going to deep fry it like this. And I'm telling you, y'all, this is delicious. It won't take long for it to get done. Hope y'all see this in the camera. I think y'all don't. Let's move over a little bit. See, let's see. There you go. Add them in there just like this. And I say about 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, they'll be kind of done. They are delicious. They smell so good, y'all. Ooh, they smell so good. Okay, we're gonna so they get done like that. Turn them over. And we're gonna drain them on paper towels. And we'll be right back and let you see how they look. All right now, they are all floating at the top. So they are ready to take out and drain them on paper towels. And these are the 5 spice chicken, the Oriental style. And I taste one, y'all, and they are delicious. They are delicious, delicious, delicious. They are so good. They have that 5 spice in there, and I'm telling you, they are so delicious. I'm gonna make, I always say I'm gonna make a egg fried rice to go with these 5 spice chicken. Be right back. Be right back with the egg fried rice. Just want you to know that these are so delicious, y'all. Okay, to fry your egg, you must have it just like this. A lot of people don't know how to fry your egg for the egg rice, the Chinese egg rice. So I'm showing you how to do that. Y'all excuse me for my little blue screen. That blue screen is my earplug so I can talk to you. Okay, you let the eggs dry out like this. This is what you do. You let them dry out. And then a lot of people let them scramble them, but I don't like scramble them. I like for them to dry out like this to go into my fried egg rice, my egg fried rice. So just let it dry out like this. Just like that. Okay? Then you kind of turn it over. Let it get a little fried a little bit, just like that. And then you chop it. Tear it apart, just like this. And you're going to set this to the side. You're going to chop it just like this to go in your rice. Okay? And then you're going to put it to the side, just like that. So now what we're going to do now is going to add some of the oil, the peanut oil, into the pan like that. And we're going to add an onion. And the onion is way over here. Let's see if I can reach it. That onion. It's supposed to be very hot, y'all. That onion. We're going to add garlic. Add some garlic. Just like that. Very high heat. Just like this, y'all. We're going to add some ginger. Little ginger. I'm gonna add some pepperino. Just like this, little pepperino. Ooh, that smells so good, y'all. On high heat, just like this, y'all. Just like this. I hope you see this in the camera. I don't have a wok. I bought a wok. I just didn't want to use it. I bought one, but I had one, and somebody took it and never brought it back. Okay, we're going to let that be on high heat just like this. You really don't need a wok if you're just doing this right here. Okay, we're going to put a little seed oil in it. We're going to put that last. We're going to put the peas. We'll use some canned peas. Dropping everything down. Some canned peas. That'll be enough peas. Just for that. Enough peas. And then we're going to add the rice. Let me step over here and get the rice. I'll add the rice. Let's see, y'all. Okay, there's the rice. We're going to push this together. Just like this. Be right back. Alright, what we're going to do now is add, let's see, what we're going to add now. Okay, we're going to add the soy sauce. Okay, everything is out of place, y'all. Add the soy sauce. When you hear it like that, that's enough. Okay, I'm going to stir that together. With soy sauce. Don't that look good already, y'all? And I like adding, now I'm going to tell you what I like adding. I like to add sesame seed oil to mine. Just a little drop. Not too much, just a little hint of it. Just a little hint. And then we're going to add the eggs. Just like that. And that's all you do. This is your rice, your Chinese egg rice. Right here, y'all. And we'll be right back with the presentation.